Welcome to Lesson 5 of Module 8, which our video is going to focus on environmental exposure. When we talk about environmental exposure, we are again going to talk about causes and effects of diseases caused by environmental exposure. We're going to look at some data again, but again, in class, we're going to be able to analyze that further. When we talk about environmental exposure, we may talk about some lifestyle disease that are caused by different environments, some diseases caused by physical factors in the environment, and also some diseases caused by exposure to chemicals. When we talk about lifestyle diseases, we're talking about cardiovascular disease and those caused by substance abuse. We may talk about things like skin cancer, which is caused by excessive exposure to UV radiation from the environment, or we may talk about chemicals in the environment, home, or workplace, including things like lead or asbestos poisoning. Some diseases, their causes, so we've got immediate hypersensitivity and skin cancer. So sometimes our immune system can get a rapid and vigorous overreaction to antigens, and we call that immediate hypersensitivity. So these allergens are substances that cause an allergic reaction and is recognized as foreign, and it produces a strong immune response. So histamine in this situation is released, causing an inflammatory response. So this may be a disease caused by the environment. Another one which we've looked at in our previous videos is skin cancer, but again, excessive exposure to UV light, which is going to cause the cancer due to abnormal cell division because of the damages to the DNA. There's also another example here about asbestos. So asbestos-related diseases, they actually have a late onset before their symptoms show. And even people with low exposure can develop some serious health issues, which we see here. So we can see pleural thickening, pleural plaques, asbestitis, where we see scar tissue in the lungs, causing people to have trouble breathing. Also lung cancer, and also a specific type of asbestos-related cancer, which forms around the lungs due to asbestos fibers. That concludes our Lesson 5. Make sure you tune in for Lesson 6, where we're going to look at another non-infectious disease.